Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. We will discuss a typical problem type on kinematics which mostly comes in the examinations like JEE, NEET and NEST. You can pause the video and read the problem. Now let us solve the question. We have a sphere of radius r. In that a wire is fixed between point A and B. Now let us consider a small spherical ball which is at point A and initially at rest and slips on this wire AB. We have to find the time taken by the ball to reach the point B from A. Now let the angle between AB and AO is theta. When the ball is at point A, the acceleration acting on the body is g, which is acceleration due to gravity, which is acting downward. Now this g can be resolved into two components, rectangular components. Now the components are g cos theta acting along AB and other is g sin theta which is acting along perpendicular to AB. Now let us draw a line from O to C, another from B to C. So the line is AB and BC is subtended to the diameter of the sphere. Therefore, AB and BC will be perpendicular to each other. Therefore, ABC will be a right angle triangle. So, the initial velocity is 0 and the acceleration along AB will be g cos theta, and from right triangle ABC will be cos theta is equal to AB by AC, which is base by hypotenuse. So what will be AC? AB AC cos theta. Now what is AC? AC is the diameter of the sphere, which is twice r. So AB will be twice r cos theta. Now we need to find the distance covered by the particle, by the ball, from A to B. So the distance covered is AB is equal to ut plus half a t square, where u is the initial velocity, t is the time, a is the acceleration. Now since the initial velocity is 0, this term will be 0. So AB we can replace it with 2r cos theta, which is equal to half. What is acceleration along AB is g cos theta into t square. Now in this relation cos theta gets cancelled, so we can write t square is equal to 4r by g. Therefore t is equal to 2 under root r by g. So this is the required time taken by the ball to reach from point A to point B. So that's it for today. Have a nice day.